we are on the lovely boat on the way to Inismore.
Hooray! Hello!
And there's Allison over there. Say hi, Allison!
Hi, Allison.
And here's the lovely Ashley chilling in her loveliness. And here's me. It's cold! Hey now. I saw that.
Oh,
And there's Rusty over there. And Alana, who looks awesome despite us being freezing to death. She looks like a little movie star incognito.
she does.
And there's lovely scenery over here, actually.
Yeah, like you need the woman standing there. They could be like Jack and Titanic. Jack and Rose, isn't it?
Oh, that would be lovely.
You should be his woman.
I should. But over here you see more lovely scenery.
Oh, that's
Cool people. It is quite windy today. As you can see, the water's a bit choppy. Choppy water. And it looks like we're heading out to the ocean in a minute here instead of in this lovely little alcove of a bay. But I will leave you for now and pick it up when we are no longer freezing to death. So, I bid you goodbye.